Google Photos is a popular backup tool, but sometimes it gets stuck during backup. This issue can be caused by technical failures in Google Photos, using an outdated app version, unstable network connection, large files, photos over 75 M100 MP, videos over 10 GB. Let's dive into how to fix these issues. Part 1 to 12 Solutions for Google Photos Stuck Backing Up. Solution 1. Log in. Check if it says, waiting for connection or Wi-Fi, and connect to a stable network. Solution 2. Go to Menu Settings and toggle Backup and Sync on. Solution 3. Open Google Photos. Go to Menu Device Folders, select a folder, and toggle Backup and Sync on. Solution 4. Go to Settings Battery Saver and turn it off. Solution 5. Free up space on your phone to avoid app crashes and backup issues. Solution 6. Go to Settings Apps Google Photos Storage, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. Login and toggle Backup and Sync on. Solution 7. Switch to Use Mobile Network or over Wi-Fi and ensure no Wi-Fi hotspot restrictions. Solution 8. Manually upload photos or videos by selecting them and tapping Upload in Google Photos. Solution 9. Remove and reinsert the SD card if media files aren't detected by Google Photos. Solution 10. Disable or remove ad blockers by going to More extensions in your browser and turning them off. Solution 11. Update or reinstall Google Photos by going to Settings Apps Google Photos. Uninstall and reinstall. Solution 12. Sign out and back into your Google account, or remove and re-add it. Restart your device afterward. Part 2. Smooth Photos Backups with the best Google Photos alternatives. Google Photos not backing up? Try Mobikin Backup Manager for Android for a smooth and easy backup solution. It's your best alternative to back up photos from Android phone to computer with the Android Backup and Restore program. Step 1. Download and install Android Backup and Restore software on your computer. Link your Android phone to this computer via USB cable. Then launch the utility and it'll perform automatic detection. Step 2. After the recognition, the primary interface shows you Backup and Restore. You should click on the former to continue. Step 3. All the types of files will be displayed on the interface. Then, please go for the file type you need and hit Backup to put them on your computer as a secure backup. Another replacement for Google Photos, Mobikin Assistant for Android. Need to backup media or preview data on your computer? Mobikin Assistant for Android is a great Google Photos alternative for backup, restore, and device management.